Let's begin with news coming in on the India's Got Latent controversy. The storm over Ranveer Elabadia's joke on the show. The parliamentary panel now has sought the INB Ministry's intervention. A parliamentary panel has sought steps now to regulate social media content, to regulate online content. Now, what we're hearing is that the parliamentary panel on INB is unlikely to really summon the YouTubers, but they are seeking reform. The larger debate over regulating OTT content, regulating online content, is something that they're seeking answers on, and they've sought steps to regulate social media content, and for that have sought the INB Ministry's intervention. We'll have to see if this particular incident serves as some sort of wake-up call to authorities to regulate content. It's been a long-standing demand. There's been a huge debate over this, and yet nothing's really been done to regulate, to monitor content.
रणवीर अलावादिया जो स्टेटमेंट दिया ओपन स्टेटमेंट दैट शुड बी बैन एंड उसको पूरा पनिशमेंट कैसे होगा और डिस्कशन हुआ कैसे न्यू रूल्स आएगा पनिशमेंट के लिए क्योंकि ये पूरा कल्चर नष्ट कर देता है.
Okay, so there is a growing, in fact, debate right now and a chorus for the government to crack down, not in this particular incident, but to use it as an example and go ahead and ensure that there's some regulation of online content. It's still a very blurry area of how really you can regulate this kind of content, what's okay, what isn't, who defines what's okay and what isn't. But at this point, even as you're seeing multiple cases being filed and Ranveer Elabadia, as well as all the others who've been a part of this comedy show, India's Got Latent, being summoned, being booked by cops, now, at this point, the focus also is on how the government will address this issue. There's been so much outrage on social media over the comments that were made by the popular YouTuber Beer Biceps. But in the long run, is this going to also trigger some sort of talk of regulation? Piyush Mishra is joining us live from Delhi with more details on this. Piyush, is the government looking into this particular case to perhaps set an example and maybe serve as a wake-up call that we need to regulate online content?
Well, certainly, Akshita, what we're also hearing is that today there was a meeting of Parliamentary Standing Committee on IT and Communication. A few BJP MPs have also raised this matter in which they have requested the government to come up with stringent laws to deal with such things and also to regulate social media platforms so that these remarks cannot be published or even shown on these social media platforms. In fact, what we're also learning is that the committee has asked the government to submit a draft as to what kind of laws the government is mulling to stop these, to curb these statements. And by the next meeting of the committee, we can expect the draft also to be submitted. So very soon there could be new laws to stall such comments and to ask people not to use these comments while publishing or putting out the episode on social media platforms. We have to wait and watch what kind of draft the government is looking forward to bring. But yes, within 2 months maximum, we can expect some kind of draft to be submitted by the government.
All right, we'll track that. Thanks very much, Piyush, for those details.